Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session what we are going to learn? In this session we are going to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 using these hard disks. Okay, basically we are going to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 without SD card. Okay, as you can see I have currently SD card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to set up basically our Raspberry Pi 4 for boot with this USB. I have here 500 GB WD hard disk. Okay, and this is what a SATA to USB cable converter which I am going to connect with our Raspberry Pi 4, and then we are going to able to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 using these hard disks. Okay, so first I need to set up our Raspberry Pi 4 for booting with this hard disk. So first we need to, of course, we need to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 with this SD card. This SD card I have here, this SD card with Raspbian latest OS, Raspbian desktop OS. Okay, so first we are going to boot with this SD card. After complete the setup, after enabling boot with hard disk or boot with USB, we are going to remove this card. Okay, we are going to remove this card and then we are going to connect this hard disk to our Raspberry Pi 4. Then our Raspberry Pi 4 will able to boot with our hard disk. Okay friends, now we want to enable our Raspberry Pi 4 booting with our HDD. Okay, so simply first open your terminal, run this sudo raspi config utility. So sudo raspi config. Okay, then just press down arrow from our keyboard and come to the update option. The 8 number option is update option. Okay, use your down key of the keyboard and just come to the 8 option and press enter on update, and it will update our Raspberry Pi packages. Okay, as you can see it's updating. So friends, we have updated the packages. Now again press down arrow key from keyboard, okay, of our keyboard, then come to the advanced option. The 6th number option is advanced option. Simply hit enter on it. Then we have to come A7 option. Using, again we are going to use here our keyboard down arrow keys. Okay, as you can see, so press A7 bootloader version, simply hit it, just hit enter. Then here we want to select E1. E1 is latest, use the latest version boot ROM software, so simply enter. Okay, then press yes. Okay, then boot ROM reset to default, simply select OK. Now we want to again come on the 6th number option, advanced option, and here we are going to go A6 option, boot order. Okay, so come to the A6 option. Again we are going to use our keyboard down arrow keys, so simply select it, and here we want to select our USB boot option. The B1 option is USB boot. Okay, so select the B1 option, USB boot, and press tab button, come to the OK and hit enter. USB device is now default boot device. Okay, simply press OK, press tab button, come to the select, then finish using the left and right key. Okay, and would you like to reboot now? Okay, remember friends, I am not going to right now reboot because I want to explain you one more things. But when you configure the USB boot, just reboot your Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I am not going to reboot now, right now. Okay, but you have to reboot your machine. Okay, so simply I am going to select no here. And what I want to tell you here friends, I have, first I am going to clear the screen. For booting with our hard disk, I have connect, as I told you, I have connect the hard disk. Okay, I have connect here. As you can see, I have here SDA, which is a 500 GB hard disk. Okay, /dev/SDA. This is our 500 GB hard disk. Okay, so what I am going to do, I have already insert the Raspberry Pi Raspbian OS image inside our hard disk. Okay, so if you want Windows, download the Raspberry Pi imager on Windows. Okay, or just download the Raspbian OS latest image from their official website, then download the Etcher software and just write the image inside the hard disk. So I have already write the image, the latest Raspbian OS image inside our hard disk. Okay, so now we set up our Raspberry Pi 4 for booting with our hard disk. Also we write the image inside our hard disk. Now I am going to remove the card from our Raspberry Pi 4, then our Raspberry Pi 4 will be boot using the hard disk. Okay, so friends, now I am going to remove this card. Okay, as you can see, I am going to remove the card, and I am going to connect our hard disk. I am going to connect this hard disk to our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, like this way. This is our USB port, and I am going to insert it. That is the way. So I have connect now our hard disk to our Raspberry Pi 4, and I have removed the card from our Raspberry Pi 4. Now we are going to boot with our Raspberry Pi 4. Now basically we are going to boot our Raspberry Pi 4 using this hard disk. So friends, as you can see, we are now booting our Raspberry Pi 4 using these hard disks, as you can see, and this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 first screen. Okay, so from here you can set up your Raspberry Pi 4 desktop. Okay, which we do a normal. Okay, so this is the way you can set up your Raspberry Pi 4 boot up with hard disk. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.